Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ram Bharat Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Science, Krishna Engineering College, Mohan Nagar, Ghaziabad. Today I am going to start my lecture 11. This lecture is based on the non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation coefficient. In this lecture, we will learn about the rules of pi of the form x to the power m into y to the power m, where m and n are positive integers. Clear? And after that, find the rule of pi for the function of the form vxy into e to the power ax plus vy. We know that the general form of non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation is f d comma d dash z is equal to capital F x y. So pi in this case is pi means particular integral. In this case is 1 upon f d comma d dash capital F x y. When case first and second we already learned in the previous lectures. Clear? So now we learn the pi of the form when f x y is equal to x to the power m into y to the power m. Clear? Pi is 1 upon f d comma d dash x to the power m y to the power m. This becomes f d comma d dash to the power whole minus 1 x to the power m y to the power n. Clear? Which can be evaluated after expanding f d comma d dash to the power minus 1 as in ascending powers of d dash by d when m is greater than n, or dy d dash when m is less than n, or d or d dash h the case may be. Clear? Now we learn this rule of pi with the help of the example. The example is d square minus d dash square minus 3d plus 3d dash xy. Dear student, before solving the partial differential equation, first of all we check that the given equation is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. Clearly this equation is non-homogeneous. Clearly this equation is non-homogeneous. Linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. Clear? Because this equation does not contain the same degree in each term. Now checking it, this equation may be reducible to linear or non-linear. Again check it. It is reducible to linear or non-linear. Sorry, it will be reducible to, sorry, it will be reducible, dear students, again, now check it, it is reducible to linear factor or not reducible to linear factor. For this, we factorize this f d comma d dash. Now d square minus d dash square minus 3d plus 3d dash z is equal to 0. Now factorize it, d minus d dash into d plus d dash, and take 3 common, minus 3 common, so this becomes d minus d dash, z is equal to 0. So this becomes, take d minus d dash throughout this common, so this becomes d minus d dash, and this d dash minus 3 is z is equal to 0. So it is reducible to linear factor. Clear? Now for the first factor, a is 1, a is the coefficient of d, and b is the coefficient of d dash, which is minus 1, and c is the constant term in this equation. Constant term is not here. Again, in the second factor, a is 1, b is 1, and c is minus 3. So CF in this case, CF is e to the power minus c by a. C is 0 for first factor by 1 into x. Phi 1 bx minus a by plus e to the power minus c by a minus 3 by 1 into x. Phi 2 bx minus a by, that means, so this is again e to the power 0 becomes 1, so this is phi 1, and both term are minus, so we take it as even function, so this becomes x plus y. Clear? Plus e to the power plus 3x. Clear? And phi 2 x minus y. This is the CF for this equation. Now we find Pi on next page. The Pi is 1 upon f d comma d dash into e to the power, into x by. Clear? This is x by. Now put the value of d dash. The value of d dash is this. We take the value of this is d minus d dash and d plus d dash minus 3. Clear? We take the value of d dash xy. Clear? Here the power of x or y is equal, same. There are two factors. This factor is homogeneous and this factor is non-homogeneous. So we apply the rule for homogeneous. In the case of homogeneous, take d or d dash common when the power of x, y is equal. So I will take d common in this factor. So this becomes 1 minus d dash upon d. And this factor, second factor is Non-homogeneous, so in this case take the lower degree term common with sign. Here minus 3 is the lowest degree term in this factor. So take minus 3 common with sign. That means the take lowest degree term common with sign. Here minus, so 3 is the lowest degree term in this factor. So take minus 3 common. Clear? So this becomes 1 minus d by 3 plus d dash by 3 x by. Clear? So this becomes minus 3d, and this is becomes d dash upon d to the power whole minus 1, and this becomes 1 minus d upon 3 plus d dash upon 3 to the power minus 1. Now we use the formula 1 minus x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 plus x square dot 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 when mod of x is less than 1. Yeah, this power is minus 1. So we write it as minus 3d. We expand it as homogeneous. So we expand it up to the degree 1. So in this we take the degree 1 up to the degree 1. So this becomes d dash upon d, 1 plus x only. Clear? And in this is the non-homogeneous. So we expand it up to the degree 1 and degree dd dash. Clear? Degree dd dash. So dd dash it comes out from this factor. So we take this factor. Clear? X y. 3d. As it is, the 1 upon d dash upon d is as it is. And now we open this 1 plus d by 3 plus d dash by 3 and square this. So this becomes d square by 9 plus d dash square by 9 plus 2d dash by 9. Clear? X by. Now we multiply here. The neutral point that the power of x is 1. So and y is 1. So the derivative corresponding to d have the degree 2 have no meaning for this, and the power of y is 1. So derivative of corresponding y have no meaning. Clear? So this is not here and this is not here, because the both derivative have the degree 2, but here x and y have the degree 1 only. So we cancel out these. So we get 1 plus d dash upon d, 1 plus d upon 3 plus d dash by 3 plus 2 d dash by 9 x y minus 1 upon 3. We multiply it 1 by 1. So we multiply first by the whole term. This becomes as it is, d by 3 plus d dash by 3 plus 2d d dash by 9 plus the multiply d dash by d. This becomes d dash by d plus the multiply this is d dash by d into d by 3. The multiply d dash by d into d dash by 3. The multiplying 2 by 9 d into d dash square x y. here this cancel out, and this is again having the degree d dash 2. So now we write is 3d 1 plus d by 3 d dash by 3 plus 2 d dash by 9. The d dash by 3, there are two terms, d dash by 3 here and d dash by 3 here. So this becomes 2d d dash by 3, right? Plus the term is d dash by d plus this is d dash square by 3d plus 2 by 9, this is d dash square. Again we reject these terms because the y having the degree 1 or d dash the derivative corresponding to y. So we cancel out these two terms. Now we get minus 1 upon 3d 1 plus d by 3 2 by 3 d dash plus 2 by 9 2 by 9 d dash plus d dash by xy. Clear? Now we complete this problem in next page. This is minus 3d. This is 1 plus d by 3 2 plus d dash by 3 plus 2 by 9 d dash plus d dash by t xy. Now we multiplying x 1 by 1. xy plus 1 upon 3 dxy plus 2 by 3 d dash xy plus 2 by 9 xy d dash plus d dash by d xy 3d. This is xy plus differentiate partially with respect to x only, so becomes y plus 2 by 3 differentiate partially with respect to y only, so becomes x plus 2 by 9 differentiate partially with respect to y and then with respect to x, so becomes 1 plus d dash integrate partially. First we integrate partially with respect to x, this becomes x square to y. Again we write it minus 1 upon 3d xy plus y upon 3 plus 2 by 3 x plus 2 by 9 differentiate partially with respect to y, so this becomes x square by 2. Now we integrate it with respect to d because 1 upon d means partially integrate with respect to x. After integrating we get the required pi. dx. Clear? Minus 1 by 3 integrate xy with respect to x, this is x square by 2 plus xy by 3 plus 2 by 3 x square by 2 plus 2 by 9 into x plus x cube by 6. This is 3 1/2 x square y plus 1/3 xy plus x square by 3 plus x cube by 6 plus 2y. This is the required pi. So complete solution. So complete solution is z is equal to cf plus pi. cf plus pi. And write the value of cf, write pi. Now dear students, we learn the last case of the pi. When case 4, when f x y is of the form v x y into e to the power ax plus vy, where v x y is any function of v x y is any function of x and y except e to the power ax plus vy. So the rule of pi is 1 upon f d comma d dash v x y e to the power ax plus vy. For finding the pi, replace, in this case replace d by d plus a and d dash by d dash plus b. Then the work of e to the power ax plus by will be finished. So we write it out this integration ax plus vy. This is I have replaced d by a and d dash by b, vxy. And vxy is any form we have already discussed in the case 1, either case 1, case 2 and case 3. Clear? Now we learn this whole the process with the help of example. Now we take the example d minus 3d dash minus 2 qz is equal to 6 e to the power 2x sine 3x plus y. Clear? Dear students, in partial differential equation with constant coefficient, first of all, we solve that the given partial differential equation is homogeneous or not. It is clearly non-homogeneous. If the equation non-homogeneous, then there are two cases arise. It may be reducible to linear factor or may not be reducible to linear factor. It is reducible linear factor, clearly we have. It is repeated 3 times, 4 CF. D minus 3 d dash minus 2 q z is equal to 0, repeated 3 times. Clear? So corresponding to this factor, a is 1 and b is minus 3 and c is minus 2. So CF in this case, CF is e to the power minus c by a. C is 2 by a is 1 into x and phi 1 bx minus a by plus x phi 2 bx minus ay plus x square phi 3 bx minus a by minus 3x minus y. So CF becomes e to the power 2x. Clear? And phi 1 take as even arbitrary function. So this becomes 3x plus y plus x phi 2 3x plus y plus x square phi 3 3x plus y. Now we find the pi in the next page. Clear? The pi is 1 upon f d comma d dash into fxy. In this problem, 1 f d comma d dash is d minus 3d dash minus 2 to the whole power q into v is 6 e to the power 2x sine 3x plus y. Now d minus 3d dash minus 2 to the power whole power q 6 is constant e to the power 2x plus 0y. We can write e to the power 2x as e to the power ax plus by form. So this is e to the power 2x plus 0y. Here in this problem a is 1 and b is 0. Sorry, a is 2, b is 0. Sine 3x plus y. This is of the form vxy into e to the power ax plus vy. E to the power ax plus vy. So, replacing d by d plus a, that means d plus a is 2, the coefficient of e to the power ax. Clear? And replacing d dash by d dash plus b, d dash b is, in this problem b is 0. Now we get, and the whole work of this must be finished, so we take it out this integration. So this becomes 6 e to the power 2x plus 0y. Clear? This, the remaining term is, this becomes d replaced by d plus 2 minus 3 d dash replaced by d dash plus 0 minus 2 to the whole power 3 sine 3x plus y. Clear? This becomes 2. So this is 6 e to the power 2x upon, this becomes d minus 3d dash. Clear? This becomes 3d minus sine 3x plus y whole power 3. This factor is the homogeneous, so we use the rule of homogeneous. Now here the rule of homogeneous is replace d by a is 3 or d dash by b. For this a is replace d by a is 3 and replace d dash by b. B is coefficient of y, b is 1, and integrate 3 times with respect to u, where u is equal to 3x plus y. Clear? Now first we put d is equal to 3 and d dash is equal to 1, then this becomes 0. F d comma d dash is equal to d minus 3 d dash. Replace d by 3 and d dash by 1. This becomes 3 minus 3, 0. So rule is failed. In this case, multiplying x and differentiate partially with respect to capital D. So this becomes 3 d minus 3d dash to the power 6 sin 3x plus y. Again this is homogeneous. Again replace d by 3 and d dash by 1, so this becomes 0. So again b multiplying x and differentiate partially with respect to capital D again. So this becomes 6 d minus 3d dash sin 3x plus y. Again we replace d by 3 and d dash by 1. So this becomes 0. So we multiply again by 6. Sorry, e to the power 2x. Again by multiply x multiplying by x and x before. Clear? The multiply again x. So this becomes 6 sin 3x plus y. Cancel the 6 and 6 and this is becomes x cube e to the power 2x sin 3x plus y. This is the complete PI. So complete solution. So complete solution is z is equal to CF plus PI. I hope you understand both the cases of PI. Okay, thank you.